Restaurants all over the world are forced to close due to the risk of COVID. But post this crisis, when the businesses open up, we all know we are looking at a completely new experience and a revamp of our favorite restaurants. Hi, I'm Shreya Gupti, urban planner from IIT and a practicing architect. Today I'm here to give you an architect's perspective on how cafes and restaurants would look like in the post-COVID world. We all know that there's going to be a lot of sanitization protocols, there's going to be a sanitization booth. But if you are a restaurant owner, you know that it's not as simple as it sounds. We understand the importance of the number of tables catered is directly related to your revenue. So the restaurants will have to reinvent themselves, some through design intervention and some through remodeling the business model. So let's have a look at some of the issues. Let's start with a conventional setup of a restaurant. Seating, this bar area, we have a waiting area, service counter and the kitchen with its loading and unloading. The first thing that any restaurant would do is to move the tables apart to maintain a safe distance. The bar will be lost. But what happens when we implement this? The total capacity of the restaurant goes down. In some cases, even up to 50%. With real estate cost and heavy capital expenses, this is obviously not sustainable. But in spite of this, most of the restaurants will have to go back to business with the basic steps. And we will have to get the businesses restarted. The conventional menu cards will be replaced with a disposable or digital ones. A designated waiting area will be established outside the restaurant with a sanitization booth. Washroom fixtures would be replaced with touchless fixtures such as sensor-based or foot-operated taps. We will have to remove all the unnecessary decor on a tabletop like vases and condiment bottles. All these interventions are going to come at an additional cost and also going to reduce the number of covers. However, there are ways in which restaurants can comply with the COVID guidelines and also not compromise greatly with the seating capacity. However, for this, it is inevitable for the restaurants to reinvent the space to maximize the seating without hampering the customer experience. After all, no matter how safe and hygienic you maintain your premises, it's how safe your patrons feel and experience. You must have seen the examples of Amsterdam and Paris restaurants. These are nice concepts, but the restaurant in Amsterdam is blessed with ample open riverfront space. And with Paris, which is testing the plastic sheets for diners, the customer experience is completely lost. So let's look at some of the feasible interventions that can be adopted. Restaurants can assign dedicated entry and exits to limit face-to-face exposure. Since we know for the foreseeable future the focus will be on takeaways, we can create a designated takeaway counter or expand the existing counter and establish a dedicated circulation for takeaways. Another simple yet elegant solution can be to introduce partitions between the open tables. This can be done for the existing round as well as square tables. We can play with colors, textures and materials to match your aesthetics. The seating layout can be designed to maintain safe distance as well as facilitate free one-way circulation for patrons as well as staff. Furniture can be arranged in such a way that it easily allows the staff to sanitize in between. By now you must have already known that eventually it would require to renovate the space entirely. The renovation should not only be fast, flexible and COVID compliant, but should also be less expensive. Another way to increase your capacity is expand into the outdoors. This can be the pavement, the sidewalks and the parking lots adjacent to your restaurants. Yes, This will require involvement of local bodies and policy makers. But such an initiative will not only increase the seating capacity of the restaurants but will also improve the public realm. It will also give a feeling of comfort to the patrons who are not so comfortable seating in a closed environment. So now let's compare how much seating is now. So now there is hardly any loss in the seating capacity. Some may argue that in this design we have considered the outdoor seating and evaluation will not be fair. Agreed. So now let's look at how what the seating capacity is when we don't consider the outdoor seating. Still a considerable increase in seating capacity compared to a standard COVID compliant setup. No matter what design interventions you undertake, they have to be flexible enough to adjust to the changing times. Also, they have to be adaptable, and this has to come at a low cost. The restaurant, which is fast at reinventing and experimenting, will achieve sustainability in the long term. Let us know how you would like your favorite restaurants to look like in the post-COVID world. Till then, stay safe. Hi! If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Also, follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. See you next time.